Local news for Tuesday, the 14th of April. In an article published by Farmers Weekly, Martinborough sheep and beef farmer James Bruce reckons farmers are better placed than most to cope with COVID-19. He says they do need to look after themselves, though, and stay connected. He said just like the drought, COVID-19 has its challenges, which will eventually pass. He says in the meantime, use technology to connect with your mates, and if you don't use social media or you have a neighbour who doesn't, pick up the phone and ring, because now's the time to call. Wairarapa has 8 confirmed or probable cases of COVID-19, with 5 recovered. And police were out in force over Easter weekend, stopping vehicles and checking people's movements. Checkpoints were set up in several areas, one at the request of South Wairarapa Mayor Alex Bayan. One man told a family member he was going fishing on the coast, and when he didn't return, police staff responded and quickly resulted in resources unnecessarily redirected. The missing Wairarapa man was found and appeared to have decided to stay at the coast overnight in his car. We'll have more local news tomorrow morning. Wairarapa's MoreFM.